This is the elevator, Pennsylvania. This is a Westinghouse or Schindler MPH elevator with RT fixtures. Notice that there are two up buttons here. That's weird. Press this one because this one kind of has a chevron arrow. Clicks two. All the caps are missing except for door opener alarm. Here we go. This elevator's not that great. I think this was installed around 1988, so I think, yeah, Westinghouse. And somewhere, right down to one, there's an emergency light made by Lithuania Lighting, which works. Phone box is jammed like usual. Basic red, pink, hospital-sized cab. Keys to the doors here back at one. Up is burned out, but I think down works. Closing, that's gonna be ooh, that's not good. I think it did that before too.